County in southwestern California until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 2:34 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and rain gauges indicated that rain has increased in intensity across southern Los Angeles County, with widespread rainfall rates of around 0.75 inches per hour from Redondo Beach east through Long Beach and Lakewood. Significant and serious urban flooding is expected on area roadways and freeways, especially on the 110 and 710 freeways. The 110 freeway at Carson Street and the 710 freeway at Pacific Coast Highway are completely flooded. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Immediate